Okay, we are working on this lawn here. This lawn has a couple things going on today. Wanted to point out just kind of like what a summer patch or brown patch looks like. So as you can see behind me, there's a lot of different yellow spots. It's kind of leopard spots, kind of. There's, it's not an actual pattern. It just kind of is yellow in a lot of different places, but it shouldn't be. And so the sprinklers are running just fine. If you want to know if your sprinklers are running good, just use the tuna can test, is what I call it. You just take the tuna can, you put it in one of these yellow areas, run your sprinklers. If it's getting if the can is getting full, then you know you're getting plenty of coverage in that area and it's something else. So this is kind of what brown patch or summer patch looks like. And so how you attack this is with different fungicides. The one main fungicide that I like the very best is F-stop when it comes to taking care of this. It's just kind of a white granule like this. You just throw it in your spreader and then you just kind of spread it around. You'll have to do this every 2 weeks, but it will take care of this. And then on top of that, I always will just continue my fertilizing. Fertilizing will help, and then just making sure that you get the proper water. That will help take care of this too. But we'll kind of watch the progression of this over the next couple weeks, and we'll see how it starts to change from this yellow fungus to just a regular beautiful green lawn. Okay, so this is the F-stop. This is what we're going to be applying today. Just in a rotary spreader. That one happens to be the Scott's Elite spreader, which I happen to really like. That has a couple features on it. You have an edge guard on it, so if you get next to a flower bed or somewhere you don't want to get the fungicide, you can engage that edge stop. But what this is the fungicide called F-stop, and it will take care of the dollar spots, but most importantly, it shows the pink snow mold, but it does this brown patch. And like I was showing, the summer patch, it's just kind of these almost like leopard spots, kind of sporadic, no rhyme or reason to them. They just show up as these awful fungus patches. So that's what we're putting on today, is the F-stop. And so yeah, we'll just kind of show you the progression as it goes along. Okay, I wanted to give you kind of an update. We've done one application of F-stop, and this has been 14 days, so I'm going to put some more down today. But I wanted to give you kind of a broad look at what's happening with this lawn. It doesn't look like much has changed, right? But let me zoom in a little bit and show you what to expect when it comes to treating a fungus. It takes longer than you think, but let me show you what's happening. So as we get up closer, you're going to notice that there is some new growth inside these yellow patches. So just 14 days later, you're going to start see some of that new growth coming through. So that means it's working. It's just you got to have some patience. But you can see some of that new growth coming up through that yellow. So what we're going to do is we're going to do another application of the F-stop, and we'll reassess in another 14 days and probably put a third application down, and we'll just stay after it until we can start seeing more of that green coming back up through. But it is definitely doing its job. You just have to stay consistent. Keep doing your watering and just stay on top of that F-stop. Today we're talking about, okay, we've got rust in the yard. We've talked a little bit about fungicide and different funguses, how to identify fungus in some other videos. But today we're focusing on more of a rust problem. So rust and fungus kind of go hand in hand. You don't always see the rust though. And so this is kind of what we've got going on in our lawn here. You can see this light is not the best light, but in certain lights you will actually see it looks just like rust, like what you find on a metal. I'm gonna try this Bio Advanced. It goes down every 14 days, and you just put it in your regular spreader. I really like this Scott's Elite. I'll leave a link down below on just where you can get this on Amazon. It's a really nice spreader, super easy to use. Anyway, you just put this in. It's a granule. So you just put it into the hopper there, and then you just walk it around in the affected areas. You can do the whole lawn if you want, because this does so much. This cures more than just rust. This will take care of any other fungus that you have in your lawn, whether it's summer patch, brown patch, some of the other funguses that are more common within your lawn. So that's what we're gonna do today, is the Bio Advanced. We're just gonna throw a little bit in the hopper. So this is kind of what it looks like. We're just gonna throw some in the hopper. You don't have to do too much because you wanna save half the bag for 14 days from now. So depending on how big the area is, this will do 5,000 square feet, I believe, up to 5,000 square feet. So obviously it's not gonna do 5,000 square feet if we're trying to cure, but if you're trying to prevent, it will do 5,000 square feet. So I'm gonna lay this on a little bit thicker today because I'm trying to cure whatever is going on in the lawn. So on the bag here, it'll say the different settings on where to put the spreader. So depending on what spreader you have and what you're trying to accomplish, it'll tell you where to put the setting on the spreader. So it's as easy as, I just threw it in the hopper. I'm gonna set it, said 3 3/4. So on this spreader, I'm gonna take it to 3 3/4. And then we'll just kind of come over here, and everywhere that we have this rust problem, I'm just going to use the spreader. And now I'll do this every 14 days. I'll just mark on the calendar that this is the day that I did it. 14 days from now, we'll do it again. Okay, so this is an example of rust in the lawn. And as you see, it's that orange color, but all of the rest of the grass is nice and green all the way around it. Hopefully the coloring is coming through, but it is kind of it looks just like rust. So that is a fungus, and we're gonna be treating this with that Bio Advance in the same way as the other fungus, but that's what that looks like. And as we kind of go throughout some of this lawn here, it's kind of sporadic and throughout the lawn, but you can see kind of over here we've got a little bit more of the rust. And so everything else in this lawn looks nice and green, other than there's just a few of those areas. There's some more back in the shade here area, but we'll just be treating this whole entire area with that Bio Advance and trying to take care of that rust. So hopefully that gives you a couple helpful hints and at least some place to start, just to start attacking some of the fungus. And so anyway, thank you so much for sticking with us and watching to the end. We appreciate it so much, and make sure you give us a like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing more of this content, and hopefully you found it helpful. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.